I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines. It's today, May 2nd, 2025. New therapy that re-engineers a patient's own immune system to hunt down and destroy cancer cells may sound like science fiction, but it's not. It's called chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy, and it's now available here in Kingston. Kingston Health Sciences Centre is the fourth hospital in Ontario to offer this groundbreaking therapy, joining hospitals in Toronto, Ottawa, and Hamilton. It means patients in southeastern Ontario can now receive this advanced treatment closer to home. CAR T-cell therapy takes a different approach than chemotherapy or radiation, strengthening the body's immune system to destroy cancer cells. The Wolfe Islander IV has returned to Marysville from a dry dock in Hamilton. Kingstonist readers may remember that in early December 2024, the new electric ferry experienced what the MTO said was minor damage and was taken out of service. Now the electric ferry has returned to Wolfe Island, but according to the MTO, prior to returning to service, the vessel will undergo fire and safety inspection drills. During the murder trial in April 2025, the daughter of Patrick Millar delivered a powerful victim impact statement in court, recounting the devastating loss of her father, who was brutally killed in October 2022 at the Royal Canadian Legion. During the sentencing, Millar's daughter Sarah expressed her grief, anger, and disbelief over the senseless act that robbed her family of a father and grandfather. An officer from the Frontenac detachment of the OPP was on patrol on Road 38 south of Harrowsmith early in the morning of Thursday, May 1st, when a vehicle traveling in the opposite direction was caught on radar traveling 178 kilometers an hour in an 80 zone. Just after 1 a.m., the officer conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle, and the driver exhibited signs of alcohol use. William McDonald, a 22-year-old from Sydenham, was arrested and charged. Kingston Police are participating in the first ever province-wide campaign to tackle 911 misuse, an issue that continues to strain emergency services. The Emergency Services Steering Committee has launched the When Every Second Counts campaign, aimed at reducing non-emergency 911 calls and educating the public on the proper use of 911. Police said that residents are encouraged to familiarize themselves with alternate non-emergency numbers. The Kingston Economic Development Corporation has announced the recipients of the 2025 Newcomer Entrepreneur Awards, recognizing exceptional entrepreneurs in our city. The awards, which ECDEV presents in partnership with Kingston Immigration Partnership, are awarded in 3 categories: Community Builder of the Year, Startup of the Year, and Inspirational Entrepreneur. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.